Oh boy. Videotaping and I'm hitting the trees. The last two are going to be the stars. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry we're blocking everything.
No problem.
Traffic jam, right? Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you, you too. Good boy. Hi. Where'd you guys come from? Oh, nice. Very good. Thank you. Yeah. You're okay, buddy. Hi. Good boy. You gotta pump it up. Yeah. Good job, Whiskey.
I was trying to get... Whiskey's like, what's wrong with all you people out there? I heard it creaking.
Yeah. Yes. Yep. No.
My dad smoked 40 cigarettes. Catherine would like to send a message to the front.
Yes? You want to take a break? Well, I'm just letting this guy pick the speed.
They got on a boat and came home and they had some lottery and...
Watch your foot. Watch your left foot.
Watch your left foot here, Kathy.
We sound like a bunch of idiots. Left foot.
A lot of them. They had card clubs and things that were...
Wait, I can't. Is that amazing? Go. Okay. Isn't that beautiful?
I know, we need to get this shaded. Are you guys? Oh, you're wearing black. Or if we just remove it. Are we getting it back in the same order? Just.
Thank you. Oh, we're good. You just stay there.
Which way did you guys come up?
Oh, up of West Mustang Sally and Sidewinder.
for them to be like, I think eventually they'll probably like me, but they're pretty cliquish.
Oh.
I mean,
Yes. The whole way. Keep just looking for Alder Creek Road.
pulls out.
Yeah.
Because if I don't, he just gets up or down either.
Go up.
Moment.
Oh, you did his tail too.